Ipakita mo gidya ang imo pagka masinulundon sa iya. Ang pagsimba hindi lamang sa sulod sa simbahan, but even sa workplace mo, sa pamilya mo. And then when the Spirit of God are saying to you, amo ning himo makadto kada, this is how you're going to behave. Then you respond. That is worship unleashed. Even you are not considering the fact nga masugot ayon sila, wa ko yan na. May ato gituod bala o kung peer adventure lang. But worship that impacts the horizon. What we are seeing, it seems like, tomorrow meets today. Until such time, hindi mabuo, kag hindi ta maipakita, kag maipasundayag, ang pagiging matinumanon ta sa ginatudlo sa Ginoo. And that's the reason why, although si Paul nagasiling gid saya, I beg you, I appeal to you, please, pagsimba. Ang pagsimba is our presence. Halimbawa, coming to church, your presence. But even, ang pagsimba mo sa Ginoo, even sa workplace, where people may see the difference of being a believers of the Lord Jesus Christ. But right where you are, being present to the workplace, your body, your decision-making, your character should represent of what a kind of position and life that we have when we meet Christ. Siling nila, nga Kristiyano sila, pero wala sila sa matudtod nga relasyon. Wala sila sa matudtod nga pagsimba kay Lord. Very ironic in terms of how we profess and how we call ourselves as a believers of God. Yet when it comes especially sa workplace, sa marketplace, sa school, hindi makita ang pagiging Kristiyano. Hindi makita that God is being delighted to us the way nga ikaw nagatrabaho, naganegosyo, nag-eskwela. Balik kita sa konteksto nga ikaw kapawa, ikaw asin. We are representative of the kingdom to the workplace, to the marketplace, to where you are right now. But it seems like ang iban way pakakilala kung ano ang ginharian sang Dios, kung ano ang matuod nga pagkabuhi, kung ano ang born again, kung ano gid ang matutuod nga pagka-Kristiyano. Pag ikaw naka-intindi kag may revelations na about church, temple, ikaw kag ako ang simbahan sang Dios, where the Spirit of the Lord lives. You need to understand this. Gusto sa Ginoo nga aton kabuhi sa lamang ang focus. And that is, this life should be ordered, should be clean, represent of what the temple is all about. Worship that impacts the horizons of our surrounding must first surrender to the call of obedience. Our response should be immediate and faith-filled, as this opens the door to a deeper experience of God.